Sige, mag-YouTube ka. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi sa mga pala sa mga...
English ako.
Sige. Hi, hello. Thanks for the... Ano ba? Ano sabihin ko?
I am Philippines but I speak English.
Okay. I understand. Okay. Go.
And why is there a truck there?
Hey, how are you today? I'm here at the Bulacan, Ayamonte, here at my hometown.
Yeah, guys, we're rich.
Hey.
Because we're rich, we have a Bulacan house.
Vlog, I'm rich. I'm here at the Bulacan house. Ano? English daw kami. Mga anak mo na to. Asa? Ano mo na? Pakita mo kay mama mo.
And Sinuni is
Ano, mama mo?
Yoshi.
Pakita mo kay mama mo.
What is the song? You together. I
Pakita mo
got
mama mo.
somebody, but you can choose. What about me? What about me? You together.
No vehicle.
The first and
entry.
fifth on whatever.
Pinapapasok nila tayo.
November song
Meron tayong sticker.
and
Ba't sila may sticker
forever
siya, madam?
is
Bumali.
sad
Nabasa ko nga lang eh.
forever.
Eh, pinapapasok nila.
Over and for joy and mornings.
Nakapila pa rin ng
I
tricycle.
is for
Naroon,
easy
slow?
grades.
Naroon,
Of
tricycle sa loob?
Hindi, malilim pa.
tonight, you will wish you are dead. I just want a way to go. Why do I look like a giant poo-poo? 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 Why do I look like a giant
Sigawan ka, narinig sa kabila.
poo-poo?